Hi guys. So welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Addie. Um, for this video on my channel, I decided I wanted to try something new, like doing voiceovers. I've been a lot of my content is has been based around the weather, the atmosphere, nature, the beauty of it, and I thought, why not add something new? You know, a couple of weeks ago, I showed a cousin of mine um, some of my content, and he thought it was cool and all, but he gave me some you know ideas. Why don't I try speaking more in my videos? Because people like relatability, and at first I don't know, I was a bit hesitant about that, but I decided to give it a try in this video. Guys, just let me know what you think about this in the comments section. So, I started this channel around January of this year because there was nothing else for me to do. I was struggling for work, still kind of struggling now, in terms of my career path and what I want to do. And, I've been trying everything, going back to school, applying for all types of jobs, taking online courses, and now doing social media. And so far, it's been a pretty interesting but like challenging journey with this channel because the growth has been pretty slow, and like the engagement hasn't really been a lot, and at times it can be really discouraging because you put in the time and effort into filming something and editing, putting everything together, just to barely get any views or any like subscribers. And don't get me wrong, I enjoy the type of content that I do. I love filming the weather, I love filming the sky, plants, things of that nature, but I guess sometimes, it could be nice if I did get more engagement. So for this, I wanted to try something new. Maybe this will be my new style from now on for my future videos. And yeah, again, let me know what you guys think about this. Just be honest. Right. So I want to try. This will be maybe like a video or like a visual diary of some sort, where I'll be speaking about just random things on my mind, how I'm feeling, without going too personal. So yeah. Also, this is one of the last videos that I'll be filming in California because I've basically moved to New York. So it's gonna be really interesting being back in my hometown of New York and being able to film content there, being able to film architecture, ferry, the different seasonal changes, parks. So I'm definitely excited about that. Like, I want to also try to be a lot more consistent on this channel, which has definitely always been like my one of my biggest challenges, staying consistent with things, like projects, courses, things of that nature. And with weather content, it can be a bit challenging because you kind of have to be at the right places at the right times to catch some of the coolest moments with weather. And luckily for me, in for this video, I happened to be at the right places at the right time. There was a thunderstorm on that day on my way to Vacaville, my mom and I figured why not film it. You can see the weather was changing a lot throughout the day with the sun popping in. I hope you guys enjoy today's video, and I let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm open to feedback. Thanks for watching.